Right, so it is really hard when you're talking about, say, a unit like this and trying to do a direct comparison with like a Geneva or a Stinger. The Geneva and the Stinger are substantially better radar detectors, and they are designed differently. Being a full hideaway unit like the Stinger or like the Genevo Pro 2 just means that you get this fabulous detection and you don't have something messy sitting on your dash all the time. You've got a simple little display where this is, it's not quite the same. And this is more likely to get looked at by a police officer. Now, what I've seen, and I have heard stories of this, is where a police officer will see someone with a radar detector and be more likely to do an inspection. Now, the radar detectors are not illegal. There's a lot of people who say, oh, aren't they illegal? No, radar detectors are not illegal. Jammers are illegal. There is a benefit to this over a hideaway unit, and the benefit is we can take it out of this car and we can put it in another car if we're going on a bit of a road trip or we drive multiple cars.